Hello lovely people, welcome back to Live Life Lovely. I am Lakeisha, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome to Live Life Lovely, and thank you for joining our circle of lovely people. Today I am excited. I am going to show you how to spruce up, liven up some old garland. I have some really old garland that has been through a lot of Christmases, and I want it to look fresh and new and exciting for my stairwells. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe below and click that notification bell for more videos coming up before Christmas. So I hope you like it, and I will talk to you later. Bye. So first I'm starting with some ornaments that I found at the Goodwill, and this was a really good buy. I got like 3 or 4 of these bags for only 99 cents a piece, so that's $4 for all 4 of the bags. I also purchased from the same Goodwill this big mesh, and I got this brand new set of mesh for $2.50. It was $4.98, but I got it for half off. So now we have this twig I got from the Dollar Tree, some pipe cleaners I also purchased at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use these to help sprucing up the garland by incorporating them. This is also garland twist ties. These are used to tie garland together, but today we're going to use them to enhance this raggedy garland. Oh, I had this for so many years, but I'm done. I wanted to look better than this, so let's get started. So now I'm taking my cutters, these wire cutters, and just cutting the twig and twine from the base, and I'm going to toss the base at the end of this, and you'll be surprised how much you get out of this. Look at all of this. Wow, that's a lot. So I'm going to use all of this in the garland, so let's put it to the side for now. Next, I'm going to create these ornament clusters, and I learned this from Ramon at home, and I'll put his website down below. I love Ramon. He is a decorator, and this technique came from him to create ornament clusters. So I'm just going to take the pipe cleaner and put 3 ornaments onto the same pipe cleaner, and Ramon says to use different textures of ornaments, so that's why I have the clear, the glitter, and the chrome, and I'm just going to twist and make this really tight to create a cluster, and so you'll see how that works. Very easy. Okay, so now it's the fun part. Now I am taking the garland and parsing each piece of foliage out to make it a little thicker than what it looks like, so that looks a little thicker. And then to thicken it some more, I'm going to actually add the garland twist ties to make it look like part of the original garland. So I'm just going to take these and in a pattern-like fashion place them strategically throughout the entire garland. So I'm just going to speed this up so you can see how I do that. And then once I finish this, I am going to then add the twigs and twine with the pine cones that I cut apart. I'm going to add that as well, just to give it some more volume. And so you'll see it will look a little thicker and a little more new after I finish this process. Next, I'm going to take the clusters I created earlier and bend and twist them into the twine like you see it now, and I'm just going to place about 5 or 6 clusters onto the entire garland. And as you can see, it is turning out to look so new, beautiful, and expensive, okay? This didn't cost a lot of money, about $5 or $6, and this looks wonderful. So once I finish placing these clusters, that looks pretty like that, but I do want to add some of that beautiful mesh shimmer shined mesh to it to finish it off and give it that final look of glam. So I'm going to cut just a long piece of this, and then I'm just going to twist and bend parts of it into the garland for the final look. And so, all done. Look how glam my old garland looks now. I'm so excited. So, I will show you how I put this on my stairwell in a minute. That's it. Alright, so this is how it turned out. You can make it more thick by adding another piece of garland, but this works for me. I have a busy house, so I didn't want anything to take over the railing, but I love the way it turned out. The clusters, the mesh, adding the foliage from the Dollar Tree. It came out really simply, and I'm going to do the same thing for the other side of the stairwell for the final look. Thanks, guys.